the guard, I kill the mobs. Nabuhay na ulit yung ano nila. Ay, roll the guards. Quiz double on the guards now. Focus the guards for now. Quiz double. Pakipatay itong mga guards na to.
Pwede na lang natin.
Get ready. Southwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Putang inang yan. Pakipatay agad. Yung guards na pinapatay namin guys. Don't die please. Cycle pass. Ready, just on the guards, on the crown. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on the crown. Just double is on the guard. Nice.
Parang kumunti na sila.
Z, isa tayo ng ano, nakapatong tayo sa purple. Hindi na si shirt yung jacket.
Far east side kayo. Mag far east side kayo dun sa may T2 na puno. Just hold. Ready, southwest over the wall on the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice, nice kill. Left front, left front, left front, left front, left front. Nice depth. Now bash that. Uy, namatay sila Enryu.
Share na ba yun?
Enryu!
Aray ko napatay ka ng yellow zone.
Ready. Hold. Southwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3. May nag-bedrock. I'm blind. Xiaopeng daw.
Magtatabi kami na ito. Best friends na kami.
Copy. Cycle lang. Left front, left front, left front. Redel! Hold lang muna. Hold lang. Ready. Just shallow on the skull. Tangin na, tanggal ko yung skull mark, sorry. Inside of us, north, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On him now. Yun ang sabi pwede kang umalis.
Diyan
Nice,
pa sa lead. Sige, parkan ka lang.
Yeah, gigib ko sa'yo. Ito. Party. Yan, okay na. Ready, you're looking southwest on the gate now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Nice try. Hindi ko rin na-pull. Ako ay na-knockback. Left front. Help kay Doraemon. Help nyo si Doraemon. Ayun o. Kidnapin nyo yan o. Skullmark. Ba't may skullmark pa din? Ano minark mo? Ready on the gate in 5, 4,
Green
3,
yung ilaro.
2,
Teka, pass
1.
ako ba?
Oh! Oh! Holy fuck! Nice kill! Oh, wow! Left front. Ready, southwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now.
Silence.
Copy. Uy, si Xiao.
One hand
Tapi
ba
niya,
yun?
no?
Or hidden?
I don't know.
Ready. On the skull mark in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Skull mark now. Hindi umabot. Just hold.
Isang jacket guys.
Left front, help Marchan. Oh, namatay si Marchan. Hold lang. Pakol ako nung ano. Pasabi nung cooldown ko ha. Nung engage ko, sabay kayo sa akin kung pwede.
Grabe.
Ready. Hold lang. Keep bashing. Focus bashing. Makapag-regear naman yan siyan. May time pa tayo. Keep bashing.
Pinatawanan nila.
We're going for headbutt. Ready, southwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Come back. Left front. Ay, patay si Dabald. Dabald!
Support na royal jacket. Kulang tayo.
Tatlo lang talaga kayong royal jacket.
Kaya pala.
Hold lang muna, keep bashing tayo. Ready, southwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Copy.
Ang namin ako, Earth Room. Huwag mag-e-e, okay.
Left north. Ay, nasa si George White pala, nasa ano, Scavengers. Saan yan galing?
IE.
Ano daw?
Galing IE.
Hindi, ano sabi nito? Rafael, gawa ka ng DTR. Ha? Maya, pansinin kita maya. Wait lang. Ready, Sates Overdall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi umabat.
Pwede ba natin patayin yung DPS yung mob?
Uy, patayin niyo mo. Left north. Tapos double use na.
Warly.
Sarap pang trash talk. Ha? Sarap pang trash talk. Keep bashing lang muna. Yeah, do not inch up. And we can slow down. Keep bashing, keep bashing. It's fine. Ayun, tagal ko nang babash dito. Iigay dyan natin tong ano, tong base ah. Iigay dyan natin yung base boys. Keep ano lang, keep bashing lang. Come southwest, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Inch up southwest side, inch up southwest side. Inch up southwest side, inch up southwest side. Ready, you're looking at the skull mark now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, skull mark now. Then come back.
You're inching ah. Ay hindi.
You're fine. Inch up D-tanks. Inch up D-tanks. Ready, on the choke lang shallow. Ready in 5, 4,
General,
3.
bomb squad! East!
Nice step. Heal up. Napatay si Eurepia. It's fine. Wala tayong tao dun eh. Just hold lang. We can hold. Cycle fast. Tell me when ready. Ready. Copy. Come south. Ready on the choke. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke lang. Hit the choke. Boom. Kulang sa damage. Namatay kasi isa nating damage. Cycle lang. You're fine. Di pa rin sila makapag-push out. Cycle fast. Ready. Just on the choke lang. Shallow. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke.
Patingin.
Nice try. Just hold lang. Hold the choke. Don't let them out.
Jackets on hard, please.
Ako na kayo. Oh, kapal way.
Cycle fast. Cycle lang. Hold.
Bam.
Hold lang. One D-tank ka southeast side please.
Dito ka dyan eh. Loud ko.
Dep.
Dep. Okay, copy. Cycle lang. Ready, inside of pass southwest side. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow lang. Nice damage. Then cycle fast. You don't have to be afraid. Cycle fast. Marami silang damage. Nakakadalawa na yun boys, yung southeast side ko. Ready, pa-fake ako ng shallow. Ready, inside of fast, southeast side. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast now. Nice try. Then come north.
Southwest yan eh.
Pat. I died.
Wala.
Si Roxasa, boy pa? Patay din si Roxasa?
My God, na
Uy, call, uy!
Yo.
Ayan na.
Buhay pa.
Eh, naman tayo. Wait, cool down check. Ready shallow. 3, 2, 1. Drop is on the shield now. Putang, ang daming silence. Kite.
Kalma lang.
Out na yata. Nagpa-flood na dito. Nagpa-flood na.
Out na. Okay, out. Out na daw. Spreading out.
Threaten out.
I let your body decide. Southeast kasi sabi ko eh. Sorry boys. Southwest nga pala yun.
Sobrang dami nilang dito. din.
Wala tayong magagawa. Mabilis din yung engage nila. It's fine. Nice content. We did our good content. Tangina, wala ako mamayang 14 boys ha. Kaya na mag-call ng 14. Kasi